tiny sandtails.
Hello, little artists, and welcome back to Dinosaur Month. Last week, we saw our brave friend Terry take his first flight into the starry night sky. Today, our adventure begins not in the sky, but inside a little egg. A brand new dinosaur is about to say hello to the world for the very first time. Let's go to Emma to witness this magical moment.
Thank you, Peepo. Our story begins with this picture. It's a brand new dinosaur hatchling, just saying hello to a very simple world. But I think we can make his world even more special. Let's add a little bit of our own art magic to help him see a more lively and colorful world, shall we? And just like that, we have a much richer world for our little friend to explore, with tall palm trees, strong rocks, and leafy bushes. Now together, let's bring this wonderful new world to life. Let's begin by giving our little hatchling his bright, curious eyes, using a little white and black sand.
A hatchling is a baby animal just out of its egg.
There. His eyes are open. I think he needs a name. Let's call him Sprout.
Hello, Sprout.
And Sprout's story is called Shine On, Sprout. It's a story about learning what makes you special. With a final push crack, the egg broke open. Out popped our little friend Sprout. He was a beautiful, unique teal color. He had a row of bright orange spikes from his head all the way down to his tail, and the rosiest pink cheeks. What a colorful little dinosaur!
What is your favorite color on Sprout so far?
Sprout looked down at his very first home, his broken eggshell. It was bright yellow with pretty brown spots. What a lovely egg!
Do you know what other animals hatch from eggs?
Chickens, turtles.
Sprout stepped out onto the soft, light green grass and began to explore. Let's fill in the grass with the lovely yellow-green color. He saw some tall gray rocks. Let's use light gray and dark gray to create depth. He also saw big, leafy bushes, which will make a nice dark green. But when he saw the other dinosaurs, his happy little face began to droop. First, he saw a giant brachiosaurus eating leaves from a tall conifer tree. Let's color the tree's trunk with stripes of brown and light brown.
I wish I was tall like that.
Then Sprout looked up at the big light blue sky. He saw a pterosaur gracefully flying.
I wish I could fly like that.
Sprout felt sad because he thought he wasn't special.
Have you ever felt like you wanted to be like someone else?
He waddled over and hid behind the rocks. Just then, his Mama Dino came looking for him.
Sprout, my dear, what's wrong? Why are you hiding?
As Sprout told his mama why he was sad, a beautiful fluffy cloud floated above them. To celebrate Sprout's very special first day in the world, Let's make the clouds above him a magical purple.
If you could paint the clouds any color, what color would you choose?
Pink, yellow, green, purple, or rainbow clouds.
Oh, my sweet Sprout. The world is filled with all kinds of different and wonderful dinosaurs. You don't need to be tall like a brachiosaurus or fly like a pterosaur. You are a stegosaurus, and your special strength is having a wonderfully skillful little beak.
She pointed to a beautiful, sweet-smelling flower that was growing deep inside a thorny bush. The other bigger dinosaurs couldn't reach it without getting pricked by the sharp thorns.
Try that,
she said. Sprout carefully used his small, gentle beak to reach right past all the thorns and gently pluck the delicious flower.
Yummy, yummy.
It was the sweetest thing he had ever tasted. Sprout finally understood. He didn't need to be like anyone else. His own special strength was perfect just for him. Being himself was the best way to shine. What a wonderful lesson for Sprout. Now let's welcome Ava to review the new words.
Review. Dinosaur. 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 Hatchling. 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 Eggshell. 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 Grass. 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 Palm tree. Palm tree. Palm tree. Teal. 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 Yellow. 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 Green. 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 Blue. 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 Purple. Purple. Purple.
Wow! Sprout learned the best lesson of all. It's not about being the tallest or the fastest. It's about being the best you that you can be, with your own special strengths. I have a question for you. What is one thing that makes you special and proud? I bet it's something amazing. That's all for our Dinosaur Month adventure today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.